everyone. So in this video, I will let you know how we can use Wheel. Wheel is a framework that will provide you a backdoor which you can inject any system, and through that you can control any system, or we can say you can hack any system through the Wheel. So how you can use? So let's see with the example here. So I am typing here Wheel, Veil. If you enter here, so there are multiple things you will see. Okay, first Wheel you have to install in your system, and I hope you if you are using Linux, so you already installed the Wheel. So for if I provide the link here, so this is the GitHub link. There are multiple links, through that you can install these Wheel framework, right? So I have already installed. If you're not able to install, then let me know. I will provide you a dedicated video on that. But it is easy to install if you see onto the internet or Google, right? So let's start with the practical. How we we use when there are two or three steps. First step is we will create the backdoor, and then second step we will inject that backdoor into the any system, and third step is we will connect to the that system and can able to hack that system, right? So let's I have type Wheel, so you can see there are multiple things through we can use, like they are use update option list and info exit for exit. And if you type here list, so you can see there are two method, evasion and ordinance. So these will provide you a backdoor, right? We can use anything, right? If you I'm using first one, so like use one, you have to type use one and click on enter. So you will see there are multiples option now opening. There are 41 payload. You can see here there are 41 payloads which you can use easily, right? So same as if you see here there is a list. If you want to see the list, if you type list here and enter, so you will get all 41 payload here, right? So let's for example, if I use, yeah, there is a reverse HTTP payload here, and there is also reverse HTTP here. So the difference is that we are using here is the Go. This is the we can say something language or technology which we are using into this. And this is the meter pitter, through the meter pitter we use, and this is the meter pitter is the type where we use, or through that we use, we use internally meter pitter, right? And the third one is the reverse HTTP, as this is the name of our backdoor, or we can say this is the uh, .py. This is the file which we create, right, for the reverse HTTP. Reverse HTTP means when we inject that code, that means any system will interact with the our system. So this is the reverse HTTP. Or we are not going to interact, or we are not going to make a connection. No, any other system will automatically connect with us, right, through the backdoor. So let's start. Okay, if you we are using this one. In this example, I'm using this one. You can use anything, right, according to your plan. So let's uh, start with this one, 15. So let's just type use 15. If you enter here, so there are multiple things which you have to do, right? So you have to set the IP, you have to set the L port, you have to set the other mechanism. So for the IP, you first have to know your IP. If you type if config, so you will get your IP, right? So here first we have set the IP, or set the L host. This is the L host, and this is the L port. Means L host means in which IP we are using and on which port, right? So we will set both. How we set? So type just set and L host and after that your IP. My IP is 192.168.175.128. Alright, I think this is the IP. Right. If I enter here and again going to set L port is 8080. If I enter, so all things will be set. So to see, use the option command and enter. So you will see I have set the L host here and set the L port here. There are multiple things which we can also add, like sleep, how much time we want to sleep, right? And another is processor, how much processor we need to use, right? So for same as we will set processor, if you see processor, right? Processor, and I just give a 1. Okay, same as I will set the sleep 6 second, right? If I enter here, so those will be set. If you go to the option and click enter, so you will see I have set the sleep and sorry, this one, and processor this one, and also I set the IP and port. Now you have to generate the backdoor. So let's example, the command is generate. So if you enter this command, so this payload will generate you. Okay, this is asking the name, so the name will be something reverse rev underscore https then 8080, right? If you enter, so processing is running and it is trying to create a backdoor for you, right? So let's see. Okay, uh, the backdoor is created. If you can see .exe file, executable file, so in this path we have created the backdoor, right? If you go to your path, okay, I have already opened two path here. Okay, that one. So if you go to your path where live wheel output compiled reverse http, so this is the backdoor which you have created. How you can find? You just click in this like blank space and press forward slash, right? Okay, press forward slash. So I just put the forward slash and you can type your path, whatever your path, where live, right? And wheel. If you enter, so you will get this one, right? And go to your output, compile. Here you will get the exe file. So guys, this is the exe file which is the backdoor. Now this backdoor we will inject into the your system or your in machine, right? And if you, I am minimizing that. So in this video, I let you know how we create the backdoor. But in my next video, because it will be going too long video if I will explain all thing in this video. So in my next video, I will let you know how we use this backdoor or how we inject this backdoor onto the system, then how we can use that. So please subscribe my channel to get the upcoming hacking video, and also I have provide that in description hacking playlist, so you will get the all videos all with the tutorial. So that's all. Thank you.